Most welcome in this English grammar question answer session. In this session, we are to enjoy question answer of English grammar belonging to class 5, lesson 3, named adjectives involving degrees of comparison. Question A. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives describing the planets. So here we are to learn some of the techniques which empower us for getting correct answer. First, just watch and inculcate it. Question number 1. Mercury is the dash closer or closest planet to the sun. Here you see the definite article the, so it indicates you for superlative degree, that is closest. So you need to write here closest. Closest. Consequently, it became Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. So here you learned the presence of definite article the indicates you to fill superlative degree over here. In the same way, we are to learn next technique in next sentence. Just see. Venus is the dash closer or closest neighbor to Earth. Again, here you found the definite article. The presence of this definite article indicates you to fill superlative degree. So you need to fill closest. Closest. So it became Venus is the closest neighbor to Earth. Now see sentence 3. Mars is dash coldest or colder than Neptune. Here the presence of than indicates you for comparative degree. So you need to fill here colder. So you have to keep it in your mind that the presence of than indicates you to fill comparative degree in the given blank. Again, example 4. Jupiter is the largest of all the planets. Fifth, Saturn is a little smaller than Jupiter. Sixth, Neptune is the slowest orbiting planet. Seventh, Mercury is the fastest. Actually, it has been filled up. It became filled up earlier. So you simply write it with black ink. Consequently, it became Mercury is the fastest orbiting planet. Yes, Mercury is the fastest orbiting planet. Actually, it became repeated. Ninth, Venus is dash hotter than all the other planets. So here you need to write hotter that is comparative degree. Hotter is in comparative degree. Now come to learn more with the help of next example. 10th. Mercury is not as hot. Here you have to write hot, that is in positive degree. As hot as Venus. So the presence of as indicates you to imply positive degree. Consequently, it became Mercury is not as hot as Venus. Must keep it in mind and fill up accordingly. Thanks for watching. See you next class with new solution.